210, guys. 210 and a half, MR12. Decent dyno temps today. 76.8 max torque. Well, not max to the peak, or where it falls off, but. And a half, so it's picking up power. Cowie bikes like to run a little better once they've been ran several times for whatever reason. 5th gens were doing it too, according to these guys, and had other people tell me that too, which is crazy. They like to run hot, so she's picking up a little steam here and there, but awesome results so far, guys. I'm loving it. She's loving it. Arya's doing well. Man, just can't even imagine what is she gonna feel like riding it. So definitely gonna have to look into the swing arm ASAP and buy me a bike for the track. I just don't see how this will be rideable without KTRC on, pretty much. So we're gonna do another pull here and check it out though. What's going on, everybody? Just wanted to do a little follow-up with you guys after the results for the Woolich that you guys saw. So just a quick summary. Average that it made on 93 was about 200.5 horsepower, so about 85 foot-pounds peak torque. Playing around with ram air and stuff like that, it did put out 206 horsepower then. But yeah, we had some hot dyno days throughout this process, so we did have a 99-degree day. Mess around with the MR, and it still put out some good numbers that time, but that was pretty much it to sum it up on 93. But MR12, the most it made playing around with ram air stuff was about 215 horsepower, but it did make 213 several times and averaging out about 210.5 or so horsepower. So it did the normal, pick up on the average about 10 horsepower, 10 to 11 horsepower on MR12. We decided not to do 85 this time because with Woolich currently you can only do 2 maps, so I was like, I want to have 93 because that's just the main fuel, obviously, that I'd be using all the time. I'm not going to make this a dedicated just E85 bike and all that. I still ride around all the time daily and stuff, so didn't want to mess with that kind of stuff and worry about possible having to clean injectors and stuff like that. So I was like, nah, let's just do 93 and MR and we'll go from there, at least for now. And if they release the capability to do a 3rd map and stuff like that later, then we'll worry about that then. But that's pretty much it on that. I'll be picking it up tomorrow, which will be Friday, and meeting up with some people, hopefully for Coda this weekend, trying to meet with some of the other vloggers, different people, be able to test out Arya a little bit before I leave. So hopefully I get a chance to do that, and we'll go from there. But Woolich has done an excellent job with the software. Nothing but positive remarks from the tuner on that, and hopefully you guys enjoyed the content on that. Please don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and we'll see you guys when I get back. All right, take it easy, guys. Later.